let's continue to explore LINQ methods. So here, as you can see, I'm using a where LINQ method. This one returns IEnumerable, but still it's of type person, which is class that I have here. So as you can see, this is my class. It has the following properties: name, town, country. And you can see this is the list of that class, which is passed into this LINQ method over here. So the question becomes is, what if I only want to select the name and the town and not the country? So I don't want the country. So there's another LINQ method called select. So if I do that, now what you notice is something strange. And this is generating an error to say cannot implicitly convert to an anonymous type. So the person here cannot be converted. So what's actually happening here? When you select sub-properties of a class, such as name and town, but not the country, you then change the structure of that object. So what you need to do is, rather than say it's a person class, you need to define another class that will be responsible for it. Now, a quick shorthand would be just use the var keyword, and this would work. But notice that you are now getting a problem in here to say this is also not valid. So what you need to do is you need to use the var keyword here as well, and then your code works. But another way you could do this is, rather than using the var keyword, what you can do is you can declare another class called simple person. So we have person here, but now we have simple person. Notice simple person now only has two properties, name and town. And those are the two properties that we are selecting using the select LINQ method. Now here, you notice that what you need to do is, rather than new with no class name, what you do is you just select the simple person class. And now notice that we are still getting slight errors. This is because it's expecting the attributes of your new simple person class to be equal to your existing person class. So you need to manually tell the compiler that this is what needs to happen. And now notice that you get the error to say it cannot convert new simple person to a person class. So what you need to do is you just need to change that to simple person, and down here you just need to change that to simple person. And notice how all the code now works. So if I run this code, and as you can see, we get the output that we wanted here. So I just wanted to make you aware of what you can do with a select. You can select properties such as name and town from an existing class and then put them in a new class, and then your IEnumerable also change that to the new class name, and then for your loop to actually print out the properties. So rather than using the var keyword, you can be specific and convert into another class type.